Alright everyone, in the end of the last video I said that there were things that I didn't like about the attack animation. The first one is that he kind of lingers in this leaning forward pose after he attacks and he waits for you to kind of move him out of it. And I want him to kind of naturally go back to standing up straight without me having to tell him. The other thing is it all happens too fast. So if I hit the space, 3, 2, 1, space. That happened so fast you didn't even see anything. It just seemed to be instantly in his strong lean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the wizard code. The attack animation, I need to change this so that it moves a little bit more slowly through the costumes. So I need to kind of introduce a wait like I did with the vanish animation. So go to control and grab a wait and stick it right here. So after he goes into costume number 1, he's going to wait for, let's say, 0.2 seconds. And then he's going to go to his next costume. But then, that's him leaning forward as far as he can. I don't want it to just stop there. That's why he's freezing that position, because there's no next instruction until you kind of interrupt it with the cursor key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him go back to this. So my idea is, if I go to costumes, I want him to go from leaning slightly forward to leaning a lot forward. Then going back to slightly forward, and then going back to his walk position. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go, I'm going to duplicate this. So he's going to wait 2 seconds, he's going to go to the next costume, he's going to wait 2 seconds, and I want to go to the previous costume. I want to go back to the earlier costume. Unfortunately, there's no previous costume brick. So I just need to get rid of this and just put switch costume to spell 1. And then duplicate this again. Unfortunately, there's no repeating pattern here, so I have to do this all by brute force, which is the way I don't like to do it, but you know, sometimes there's no better alternative. So now he's just going to go back to his standard standing up position, which is walk 1. Okay, so let's take a look at how that looks. So 3, 2, 1, space. Okay, that... Oops, it kind of got frozen. Alright, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, space. Alright, that looks alright. He's moving a bit slow. Let's see if we can speed it up a bit. I'm going to change these to 0.1. And I hate the fact I had to change them all, but that's the problem with when I can't find a repeating pattern. Alright, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, space. That seems a bit better. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, space. It seems like the lightning's coming out a little bit late now. He's almost all the way back before the lightning comes back. So maybe I don't like that either. What I want is I kind of want the lightning to emerge kind of halfway through the animation. Now what I could do to get that to happen is I could put broadcast in the middle here, and I will do that if I can't do something a little bit. So I don't like interrupting the animation code with a broadcast because it's two different things and it's confusing code. I will do it if I have to. Let me see if I can improve things by putting broadcast before the animation. So let's just kind of 3, 2, 1, space. Well, that looks a little bit better. And I think what I'll do to kind of just coordinate it even better is you've got to wait 0.1 seconds after going to the first spell, and then 0.1. So that's 0.2 in total. If I go to lightning, when I receive tell lightning to strike, let's go to control, stick a wait in there, 0.2, and hopefully that coordinates it better with the timing of the animation. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. 3, 2, 1. What's it doing? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if I like that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Maybe I'll just change that to 0.1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think that works best. Okay, let's do that. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.